inside is a membranous labyrinth. Understand? So what do you understand by that? You understand that membranous labyrinth is present inside the bony labyrinth. And bony labyrinth is a series of channels. You can see, just like a cloud, it is a bony labyrinth is a series of channels inside the bone. So imagine this is a bone, and if this is a bone, and here you can see there is a channel inside the bone. This is entire bone, and inside you find a channel, and this channel is a bony labyrinth. Okay. Now I put a chalk piece inside the channel. I put a chalk piece inside the channel. Now the chalk piece is a membranous labyrinth. Okay. What is this one? Bone. What is this one? The bony labyrinth. What is this one? Bone. What is this one? Bony labyrinth. What is the chalk inside? That is membranous labyrinth. So now, yes, membranous labyrinth is present inside the bony labyrinth. But bony labyrinth also has some space, no? And the space between the bony labyrinth and membranous labyrinth. Now, that is filled with the fluid region. The space between these two is filled with the fluid. And what is this fluid name? The name of the fluid is called perilymph. The name of the fluid is called perilymph. And likewise, in the membranous labyrinth also, there is some fluid is present. There is some fluid present in the membranous labyrinth. There is some fluid present in the membranous labyrinth. So this fluid is present in the membranous labyrinth, and this is called endolymph. The fluid is called by name endolymph. That is called endolymph. Understand? So that is how we find yes, bony labyrinth and membranous labyrinth. Is it? Yes. Is it clear for you? So that's what you can see. Okay, this is how you need to understand. The hand is a membranous labyrinth, and if you are wearing a glove inside, and the glove is a bony labyrinth. Similarly, here you see bony labyrinth is a series of channels in the bone, and is filled with a fluid called perilymph. And membranous labyrinth is found inside the bony labyrinth, and this is filled with another fluid. And what is the name of the fluid? The name of the fluid is called. The name of the fluid is called the name endolymph. That is called endolymph. So now the membranous labyrinth is made up of two components. The membranous labyrinth is made up of two components. Namely, number one is called cochlea, and number two is a vestibular apparatus. Vestibular apparatus. Okay, membranous labyrinth (ML) is made up of the two components here. Namely, number one is cochlea, and number two is a vestibular apparatus. Okay, and the vestibular apparatus again consists of two components here. Namely, number one that called circular canals. Semicircular canals. And the second one is otolith. Vestibular apparatus consists of two components again, namely the semicircular canals and the otolith. And the otolith again is made up of the two components again, namely is number one is a saccule, and number two is a ventricle. Saccule and ventricle. These are the two components. Otolith is made up of the two components, namely saccule and ventricle. So this is the complete membranous labyrinth. cochlea, vestibular apparatus. Then the semicircular canals. Vestibular apparatus consists of semicircular canals and otolith. Otolith again consists of saccule and vitreous. Okay, so very clear and very important information here in this table was that this otolith organs are made up of, otolith is made up of saccule and vitreous. Saccule plus ventricle is called otolith. Otolith plus semicircular canals, vestibular apparatus. Vestibular apparatus plus cochlea, and there is going to be the membranous labyrinth. That is going to be membranous labyrinth. Okay. Now, yesterday we have studied up to the case middle.